Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated electric muscle cars of the future, the 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona SRT Banshee EV. This is no ordinary car. This is the next chapter of American muscle, fully electric, brutally fast, and aggressively styled. Buckle up, because we're about to break down every inch of this beast, from its jaw-dropping design to futuristic tech, sound system, performance, and even its tires. Let's get into it. Automobile exterior design. The first thing you notice is the bold, aggressive stance. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona SRT Banshee has kept the classic Charger silhouette, but reimagined with a modern, aerodynamic fastback design. At the front, you're greeted with a full-width LED light bar and an illuminated Fratzog badge, a callback to Dodge's heritage. The grille is replaced by the innovative R-Wing, an aerodynamic front wing that directs air over the hood to provide real downforce. This isn't just a design flex, it's functional, track-focused engineering. Massive air vents and a sculpted hood line give the car a muscular, dominant appearance. Flush door handles and side sculpting enhance aerodynamics. The rear features a razor-sharp LED tail light strip and an aggressive diffuser that screams performance. Gear performance. Underneath this beast, the Charger Banshee runs on the all-new STLA large platform, designed specifically for high-performance EVs. It's powered by an 800-volt Banshee electric powertrain, making it all-wheel drive and extremely quick. While Dodge hasn't confirmed exact figures, insiders estimate over 880 horsepower and 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. Yes, you heard that right, it's faster than a Hellcat. It also includes multiple drive modes: auto, sport, track, drag, snow, and even donut mode for drifting action. You can literally tune the character of the car with a tap of your finger. Speaker medium volume, Fratzonic chambered exhaust. Now here's where things get even crazier. This electric muscle car actually has a sound system called the Fratzonic chambered exhaust that mimics the roar of a V8 engine, producing up to 126 decibels of synthetic thunder. This isn't just for show. It adds drama, character, and emotion to an otherwise quiet EV. Dodge says if it doesn't make your ears bleed, it's not a muscle car. Wheels and tires. Let's talk rubber and rims. The Banshee comes with 20 to 22-inch lightweight alloy wheels, wrapped in performance Pirelli P0 or Michelin Pilot Sport EV tires, depending on trim. These tires are specifically engineered for electric torque, offering superior grip and less rolling resistance. Behind those wheels, you'll see massive Brembo carbon ceramic brakes, delivering world-class stopping power for track or street. Desktop computer interior and technology. Step inside and the futuristic theme continues. The cabin is driver-focused, minimal, and tech-rich. You get a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, a 16-inch central touchscreen angled towards the driver, and an 8-inch head-up display projected on the windshield. Ambient lighting wraps around the dashboard, and you've got a fighter jet-inspired shift panel instead of a traditional gear lever. The steering wheel is squared off with performance buttons for drive modes, launch control, and more. Seats are sport bucket style with Alcantara or leather options, contrast stitching, and optional carbon accents. Even the seat belts are color customizable. The trunk, surprisingly roomy thanks to the EV platform. Mobile phone connectivity and smart features. The Banshee includes full Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, 5G connectivity, wireless charging, and over-the-air updates. It also comes with Dodge's Direct Connection Performance Hub, allowing drivers to download performance upgrades directly, like extra horsepower or custom drive tuning. Think of it as digital modding. Brain autonomous features. Advanced driver assist systems are included like adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree camera, blind spot monitoring, and yes, level 2 autonomous driving capabilities. This means semi-autonomous highway cruising is a go. And in future updates, Dodge is hinting at self-parking and garage summon features, taking cues from Tesla. Light bulb lighting and details. LED matrix headlights adapt to traffic conditions. Inside, ambient lighting is fully customizable, with up to 64 colors and different pulse modes. Even the startup sequence is theatrical. Light bars sweep, sounds ramp up, and displays animate like a video game loading screen. It's all about the experience. Battery, and range. The battery is expected to be around 100 kilowatt hours, offering around 300 to 350 miles of range on a full charge. It supports ultra-fast charging at over 350 kilowatts, meaning 10 to 80% in under 25 minutes if you're using a high-speed DC charger. Regenerative braking is adjustable, and Dodge includes one-pedal driving for city commutes, direct hit customization, and direct connection. Dodge will offer over-the-air tuning packs through Direct Connection, their official performance brand. You can unlock new sound profiles, power boosts, and more, legally and safely, without voiding your warranty. This modular approach to performance upgrades is unique in the EV world. Final thoughts. The 2026 Dodge Charger Daytona SRT Banshee is not just a car, it's a revolution. Dodge didn't just build an electric muscle car, they redefined what muscle can be in a zero-emission world. It's aggressive, loud, fast, futuristic, and customizable, exactly what Dodge fans crave. Let us know in the comments, would you choose this Banshee EV over a Hellcat? Or is the future still not loud enough for you? If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a future car drop. This is just the beginning. Oncoming automobile high voltage.